Windows 11 on your phone? Yes, really. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's happening right now. Imagine carrying the power of a full desktop operating system right in your pocket. No more being tethered to a bulky laptop or desktop computer. The future of mobile computing is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Remember the days when phones were just for calls and texts, those chunky devices with physical buttons and tiny screens? They were revolutionary in their time, but they pale in comparison to what we have today. Back then, the idea of running a desktop OS on a phone would have been laughable. Fast forward to today, and we can now run a full-fledged desktop operating system, Windows 11 on a smartphone. This leap in technology is not just a minor upgrade, it's a game changer. It opens up a world of possibilities for productivity, entertainment, and beyond. This isn't some fancy virtual machine trickery or remote desktop shenanigans. We're talking about a native installation of Windows 11 running directly on the hardware of a smartphone. This means you get the full experience with all the features and capabilities of a desktop OS right on your mobile device. We're talking native Windows 11 running right on the metal of a Snapdragon 845 powered OnePlus 6. This isn't just a theoretical exercise, it's a practical reality. The Snapdragon 845 chip, which was originally designed for high-end smartphones, is now being pushed to its limits, running a full desktop OS. This means the phone itself is doing all the heavy lifting, not some powerful computer tucked away in a server room. The processing power, the memory management, the graphics rendering, it's all happening on the phone. This is a testament to how far mobile technology has come in such a short time. The very same hardware that once powered your Instagram scrolling and Candy Crush sessions is now crunching through Windows tasks. It's incredible to think about the versatility and power of modern smartphones. They are no longer just communication devices, they are powerful computing machines. It's a testament to how far mobile technology has come and the ingenuity of independent developers. These tech enthusiasts and developers are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, turning what was once science fiction into science fact. Their work is paving the way for a new era of mobile computing. This isn't just some tech demo either. While it may seem like a novelty, the implications are profound. Imagine the convenience of having a full desktop environment with you at all times. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just a tech enthusiast, the possibilities are endless. While still in its early stages, this project showcases the potential of running a familiar desktop environment on a device we carry everywhere. It's not just about the novelty, it's about the practical applications. From running desktop apps to managing files, the potential uses are vast and varied. Imagine the possibilities: editing documents, browsing the web with a full desktop browser, or even light gaming all on your phone. The convenience and flexibility this offers are unparalleled. No more switching between devices. Everything you need is right there in your pocket. Of course, cramming a desktop OS onto a phone comes with its own set of hurdles. There are technical challenges to overcome, from optimizing performance to ensuring compatibility with mobile hardware. But these are not insurmountable obstacles. They are just part of the journey. From installation headaches to performance quirks, we'll dive into all the nitty-gritty details of what it's like to use Windows 11 on a OnePlus 6. We'll explore the challenges and the triumphs, giving you a comprehensive look at this groundbreaking project. Buckle up, it's going to be a fascinating ride. Join us as we explore the future of mobile computing and the incredible possibilities that lie ahead. This is just the beginning, and we can't wait to see where this journey takes us. Before we can even think about booting up Windows 11, we need to talk about the magic that makes it all possible. Project Renegade. This isn't just any ordinary project, it's a groundbreaking initiative that has redefined the boundaries of what's possible with mobile technology. This open source project is the unsung hero of our story, paving the way for running Linux-based operating systems on Android devices. The developers behind Project Renegade have poured countless hours into creating a seamless experience, ensuring that the transition from Android to Linux is as smooth as possible. Think of Project Renegade as a master of disguise, tricking your Android phone into thinking it's still running its native operating system. This clever sleight of hand is what allows us to introduce a completely different OS without the phone even realizing it. It does this by essentially faking the kernel. the core of the Android operating system. The kernel is like the brain of the OS, managing everything from hardware interactions to system processes. By creating a fake kernel, Project Renegade can intercept and redirect these processes to a Linux environment. This clever deception allows us to sneak in Linux, which then acts as the foundation for installing Windows 11. It's like building a house. You need a solid foundation before you can start adding the walls and roof. In this case, Linux is that foundation, providing the necessary support for Windows 11 to run smoothly. In the case of the OnePlus 6 and its Snapdragon 845 chipset, developers have put in some serious elbow grease to adapt and fine-tune Project Renegade's tools. The Snapdragon 845 is a powerful piece of hardware, but it wasn't originally designed to run a desktop operating system like Windows 11. This chipset wasn't originally designed with running a desktop OS in mind, so these modifications are crucial to ensure compatibility and stability. The developers have had to overcome numerous technical challenges, from driver compatibility to performance optimization, to make this a reality. Without Project Renegade, our dreams of Windows 11 on a OnePlus 6 would remain just that, dreams. The project has turned what seemed like an impossible task into a tangible reality, opening up new possibilities for mobile computing. It's a testament to the power of open-source software and the collaborative spirit of the developer community. These developers come from all corners of the globe, united by a common goal and a shared passion for innovation. They've taken something designed for one purpose and, with a little ingenuity, transformed it into a gateway to a whole new world of possibilities. This is the true spirit of technological advancement, where creativity and collaboration come together to push the boundaries of what's possible. Let's get one thing straight. Installing Windows 11 on this OnePlus 6 is not for the faint of heart. This isn't just a simple task you can complete in an afternoon. It's a journey, a quest, and sometimes it feels like a battle against the very fabric of technology itself. This isn't your typical download an app and you're good to go scenario. No, this is a deep dive into the world of custom ROMs, bootloaders, and firmware. It's a labyrinth of steps that can easily trip you up if you're not careful. It's a complex, multi-step process that requires a fair bit of technical know-how, a high tolerance for cryptic error messages, and a sprinkle of good old-fashioned luck. You'll encounter error messages that seem to be written in a different language, and sometimes they might as well be. Think back to the early days of building your own PC, where driver issues and cryptic BIOS settings were par for the course. Remember the frustration of trying to get everything to work together in harmony? This is a lot like that, but on a much smaller, more intricate scale. Installing Windows 11 on this phone is a bit like that, complete with the occasional crash, blue screen of death, and the ever-present fear of bricking your device. The stakes are high and the margin for error is slim. You'll need to get your hands dirty with command lines, flashing custom images, and possibly sacrificing a rubber chicken to the tech gods for good measure. It's a process that demands patience, precision, and a willingness to learn from your mistakes. It's not a process we recommend for beginners, but for those brave and curious enough to dive in, it's an incredibly rewarding experience. The sense of accomplishment you'll feel when you finally see that Windows 11 startup screen is unparalleled. But hey, what's a little challenge when you're on the bleeding edge of technology, right? For tech enthusiasts, the journey is just as important as the destination. Each obstacle overcome is a testament to your skills and determination. The satisfaction of finally booting into Windows 11 on your phone after hours of troubleshooting and hair-pulling is a feeling like no other. It's a moment of triumph, a victory over the complexities of modern technology. It's a badge of honor worn proudly by those who dare to venture beyond the confines of conventional tech usage. So if you're up for the challenge, roll up your sleeves, prepare for a bumpy road, and dive into the world of installing Windows 11 on your OnePlus 6. The journey may be tough, but the rewards are worth it. Once you've conquered the installation gauntlet and emerged victorious, you're greeted by a sight that feels both familiar and utterly surreal. The Windows 11 desktop staring back at you from the confines of your OnePlus 6's screen. It's enough to make you do a double take. But before you get too excited about tossing out your laptop, there are some caveats to consider. While basic Windows 11 Functionality is present, it's not exactly a seamless experience. The desktop, start menu, lock screen, they all work, but with the responsiveness of a sloth on a Monday morning. Touchscreen interactions, while technically possible, are about as enjoyable as navigating a website designed in the early 2000s. The UI elements are tiny, and precise taps are a distant dream. You'll want to keep a mouse and keyboard handy for any semblance of usable input. That said, it's crucial to remember that this is still very much a work in progress. The fact that it works at all is a testament to the dedication and skill of the developers involved. With continued development and optimization, who knows how smooth and functional Windows 11 on a phone could become.